Here, welcome back. So we are continuing a discussion with Langchain splitters, and in this video we are going to discuss on Json splitters. And this may be our last video with respect to the splitting module, and you guys can refer Langchain tutorial for more splitters and the information. Okay. So this is a URL that we are going to split, and this is a JSON URL. So let me click on this. We'll see what is there. Okay, so this is a kind of a JSON file, and it is a OpenAI, and the path is there. All those things are there. Okay, we'll see how can you split it using the Langchain. Okay, for that first we need to load the data. For that I will have a import JSON, and I need to have a request. We can have a JSON data which will load the data. So I can have a JSON data. This will request dot get. I can pass the API URL dot JSON. I can convert to JSON, and let me print the JSON data. Okay, so this is the JSON data. Here we can see OpenAI info path, and here inside that we will able to see security parameters, all those things. Okay, now we can split this, and the splitting is a same structure as I said. We can import from Langchain text splitters, import recursive JSON splitter. Okay, then the splitter recursive JSON splitter. Here we can mention the chunk size. Its max chunk size as 300. We can have a JSON chunks splitter dot. Here we will be using the split JSON method. Okay, split JSON. I can mention the JSON data as JSON data. Splitting is done. Now we can just try to print this. I have a chunk in JSON chunks, and print. You can print like chunk. Okay, so here we can see all the JSON information. Let me reduce it to 3. We can only see the 3 JSON file now. Okay, here we can see this is properly, chunking is done properly. You will able to see it's in a JSON format. Okay, and so we will also able to convert the JSON data into a document. For that, which is also very easy, I can create a docs, and I can create a splitter.create document, and I can pass a data. I can pass the text as a JSON data. Now here we can print the docs. Says out of range. Let me check this. Text is equal to JSON data, and this should be in a list format. Okay, so let me execute this. Here we can see the JSON data is converted into a document format. Here we will able to see the page content and the metadata. So metadata is empty because we didn't pass any metadata here. For that I can pass the metadata information also. I can maybe pass a URL is the API URL. Okay, let me execute. So we will able to see the URL also. Metadata information, I have passed the URL also with this particular document. Okay, in this way we will able to create a document from a text. So this is similar, this is applicable to all the splitters. If you have a text, and from that if you want to create a document, we will simply able to use the create document method, and we can pass additional parameters also. So that is all about in this video, and as I said, this is our this may be our last video with respect to JSON splitters, and we will be in our coming videos we will be discussing on more on retrievers, embedders, and all those things. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.